In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install and configure Obsidian MCP tools with Claude Code and Smart Connections plugin. By the end of the video, you'll be able to perform a deep semantic searches on your Obsidian Vault and let Claude automatically create and link new knowledge, saving you hours and unlocking insights you never knew you had. I have over 2,000 nodes in my Obsidian Vault, and I have this problem that I keep losing track of my ideas. I have this feeling that I knew that I have this node somewhere taken in my Obsidian Vault, but I just couldn't find it by simple keywords. So let's fix this and let's build the solution, a true semantic search. First things first, before we touch Obsidian, we're gonna need Claude Code installed and ready to go. And Claude Code is an AI coding agent, which is gonna be running our semantic searches on our Obsidian Vault. The process is straightforward. You'll start by heading to official documentation from Anthropic and just look for this command, install Node.js. Let's go there and copy this to clipboard. And I have my terminal opened. Let's run this command and install the Node.js and NVM version manager. Now, we see that it installed. Great. Let's proceed with the installation and let's install Claude Code with this command. All right. We install Claude Code. Okay, it's being installed, and then we can try and test it. I already prepared the Obsidian Vault, empty Obsidian Vault, and let's go there. Now we are on our Obsidian Vault, and let's verify that we can run Claude Code. And to start a Claude Code session, we just type Claude in our terminal. And here we are prompted with the settings. I like a light mode. Let's pick with that. And here is a login, which we need to perform. I use Claude Code with my account subscription. Here I'm prompted to authorize and connect. Yes, right now I'm logged in. And indeed, it's very inspiring. Let's build something great. Login is successful. And now Claude is running. We can just say hi and it's gonna respond to us. Yes, great. Now we verify that Claude is running. We can now set up our Obsidian part. Now let's prepare our Obsidian Vault. And here I'm starting with a fresh installation. We're gonna need 3 key plugins. Let's first open Obsidian settings and enable community plugins. Turn on community plugins. Browse, and we'll install a plugin called, the first one is Obsidian MCP tools, and this plugin is a core plugin which allows Claude to see and use a set of tools on our vault. Let's install this and enable. And in the options, we're going to see that we need a local REST API and smart connections. The number 2 is a local REST API plugin. This is a communication channel. It creates a secure local only API that Obsidian MCP tools uses. Local REST API. Let's install that. Enable. And here in options, the important information is API key, which we're gonna save for later. Now the number 3 is Smart Connections plugin that gives our agent ability to see the semantic information. And it creates so-called embeddings of all of your nodes and allowing Claude to search by concept and meaning, not just by keywords. Let's install that and enable. Smart Connections, install. Now we are prompted with getting started. Let's proceed to configuration of the MCP tools. We're gonna need to install a server. Server is not installed. Yes, I had this issue, and let's just restart. Yes, I've just restarted Obsidian, and now I can install MCP Server. Now with those 3 plugins installed and an API key copied, our vault is ready. Now let's connect it to the Claude. Let's get back to the terminal. Here I am in my Vault directory. Now we need to run a single command to introduce Claude to our new tools. and configure MCP server. It's a Claude MCP add, name of the MCP server, and the API key from the REST local API plugin. Here is mine. And also we need to provide a path to our Obsidian Vault. Users, that's my username. And that's the path to my Obsidian Vault. Let's run this command, and we see that the server has been added. We can also check the MCP servers available, and the server is connected and running. Let's run a Claude Code session and see MCP servers. We see that it's connected, and we can also see what are the tools which are available for the Claude Code to run. Here, the different tools are available. For example, updating the file, show file in Obsidian, search Vault. But the command which we are interested in is search Vault Smart. And search Vault Smart essentially performs a semantic search on our Obsidian Vault. And let's verify that indeed actually works by saying, what are the files do I have in my vault? And then it executes a function, tool list vault files. Let's just accept and proceed with that. And indeed we have only one welcome file. We can also create a note with that. For example, could you create a note connected to a welcome file? Just a random few notes. And this, we're going to confirm that it's indeed working and can search information within our Obsidian Vault. It can create notes, and we should see that they appear in real time. Great. The Claude created new nodes and it connected them. And now we can move on to something more exciting, which is semantic search. And for that, I'm going to use a different Obsidian Vault with a template, and we're going to see how Claude Code is working within that Obsidian Vault. All right, I just copied a bunch of files into our Obsidian Vault, which we just created. We see that the Smart plugin start creating the embeddings for our nodes, such that we can query semantic information. And we have some files, and let's try to understand what's this vault about and perform some semantic searches. Could you perform a search on different nodes regarding the AI? And I want you to create map of content node with those relevant connections and explain the relevance. Let's proceed with that prompt. And let's see how agent gonna handle this task. Okay, it didn't understood to run a semantic search. It runs a search vault simple. But we are in control. We can just direct the agent to perform the exact operation which we want. We want to perform a semantic search. Can you try once again? And right now it should be better. And exactly right now it uses a different tool, search Vault Smart. And it's actually very smart because it understood what are the keywords it should put. It does several relevant concepts like AI, machine learning, automation, and then it performs a query and it gets the results. And the results are essentially the chunks of text which we embedded using Smart Connections plugin. We see here a score of relevance, and this score is from 0 to 1. It shows how similar this chunk of text to our query. And here we indeed see that the text is relevant. It's about autonomous vehicle AI ethics. And here's another note, and so on. And we're going to see the result, and it created the AI content network map. Let's look at this node, AI content network map. And here it created a new map of content and provided the different links to nodes which are relevant. Indeed, this is one use case. For example, you can create a map of contacts within your nodes, which is essentially having a single index node and having links to nodes which are relevant to this topic. And I think that's a great use case for this kind of semantic search. additional use case which I want to show is, for example, we have this concept of a Claude code, right? Claude code is AI coding agent. And let's say I want to find, maybe I don't know about this vault. I just downloaded it and I just want to explore. Maybe there are some overlapping nodes and ideas between this vault and the Claude code. I copied this explanation of what is a Claude code from the GitHub. And let's ask to perform a semantic search to find the relevant nodes. Run a semantic search and find relevant nodes, if any, on how Claude code might be relevant within the context of this Obsidian vault. It's running, and that's actually interesting. What's going to happen? I don't know. Okay, it extracts the keywords. Great, let's proceed with that. And here we have a problem because the query which this tool returned is very, very broad. It's essentially just overloaded the context. And here is this much of tokens, which is more than the maximum number of allowed tokens. And the agent is kind of smart. It sees that we have a year and it tries different approaches. It tries to limit the number of files. It tries to do different searches, and hopefully it's going to succeed. And it converges back to doing search vault simple. Could you please try once again with a search vault smart? Maybe just to use a few keywords like coding and automation. I really want to make this work. Okay. And we found some relevant nodes. Let's see. It's creating something. Let's wait for the result. Oh, it created actually a file. Let's look at this file. It's a Claude code relevance analysis, and it somehow managed to integrate Claude code coding tool and find relevant information within this vault. And that's cool. That's a great experiment. And to give you some additional ideas on how it can be used, on my main vault, I use it to understand, for example, to run a query on find journal entries where I was feeling happy or where I was feeling bad. And it works exceptionally well for that. It can find the daily notes and analyze them and answer me the reason based on the context, because I do a lot of voice notes. That's one use case which I found works great. I think additional use case is, for example, you want to create a content or a blog post about something, and you know that you for example, you write a lot about programming, I don't know, and you can run the semantic search on create ideas for, based on my notes, could you create ideas for a blog post, for example, regarding the programming. And it's gonna be not generic answer, but it's gonna be based on your notes and your actual thoughts. That's very powerful. So there you have it, guys. With a few plugins and few terminal commands, you can now turn your Obsidian into intelligent knowledge partner with a Claude code. You can have a deep, meaningful conversation on your notes. I hope it helps to some of you to build a more meaningful and useful personal knowledge management system for you, which suits your needs. If you've got a different way of using AI agents on your notes, please drop in the comments. I really love to hear how different people use those tools. I believe that there is a lot of opportunity for experimentation. And if we share those ideas and workflows, which you find valuable, we can actually learn together and learn faster. And if you want to stay up to date with what I'm doing, you can always sign up for my newsletter. And thank you so much for the watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.